Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on replacing the hard drive in your HP 15s-fq laptop. Let's dive right into the tools you'll need for this task. Gather a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger or prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap if available. Having these tools on hand will make the process smoother and safer. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the battery to avoid any electrical issues. To do this, locate the battery release latch on the bottom of the laptop and slide it to release. Once the battery is removed, set it aside in a safe place. Next, locate the access panel on the bottom of the laptop. You will need to remove the screws securing this panel using your Phillips screwdriver. Typically, there are 4 screws. Keep these screws safe, as you'll need them to reassemble later. After removing the screws, use your plastic spudger to gently pry open the access panel, being careful not to damage any clips. Once the panel is removed, you'll see the hard drive housed in its compartment. It's usually secured with a bracket and a couple of screws. Remove these screws to free the bracket. If you're unsure about any of the components, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Now, gently lift the hard drive from its slot. Be cautious and pull it straight out to avoid damaging the connector. If your new hard drive is a replacement, install it by aligning it with the connector and gently pushing it in until it's secure. Secure it with the bracket and screws you previously removed. At this stage, it's a good idea to clean the internal components to ensure optimal performance. Use compressed air to blow out any dust from the fan and other components. This simple step can help improve airflow and cooling. If you find this process daunting or don't have the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our technicians can handle the hard drive replacement for you. After cleaning, replace the access panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks back into place. Reinsert the screws to secure the panel. Next, reconnect the battery by sliding it back into its compartment until it clicks into place. Now, it's time to power on your laptop. Ensure that your new hard drive is recognized by the system. You may need to enter the BIOS settings to check if it's detected properly. If everything looks good, proceed to install your operating system or clone your old drive if you have a backup of it. If you run into issues during this process or prefer not to do it yourself, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it hassle-free for you. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your laptop needs. Finally, if you'd like a quote before repair, we can provide that as well. It's essential to know the cost ahead of time. Thank you for following this tutorial. We hope it has been helpful in guiding you through the hard drive replacement process in your HP 15s-fq laptop. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.